saving UTF-8 texts with json.dumps as UTF-8, not as a \u escape sequence. Sample code, in a REPL. Output. The problem: it's not human readable. My smart users want to verify or even edit text files with JSON dumps, and I'd rather not use XML. Is there a way to serialize objects into UTF-8 JSON strings, instead of \uxt?
Use the ensure_ASCII equals false switch to json.dumps, then encode the value to UTF-8 manually. If you are writing to a file, just use json.dump and leave it to the file object to encode. Caveats for Python 2. For Python 2, there are some more caveats to take into account. If you are writing this to a file, you can use io.open instead of open to produce a file object that encodes Unicode values for you as you write, then use json.dump instead to write to that file. Do note that there is a bug in the JSON module where the ensure_ASCII equals false flag can produce a mix of Unicode and str objects. The workaround for Python 2 then is: in Python 2, when using byte strings, type str, encoded to UTF-8, make sure to also set the encoding keyword.
To write to a file. To print to stout.
This is the wrong answer, but it's still useful to understand why it's wrong. See comments. Use Unicode escape.
Peter's Python 2 workaround fails on an edge case. It was crashing on the decode UTF-8 part of line 3. I fixed the problem by making the program much simpler by avoiding that step as well as special casing of ASCII.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.